Creating a make inventory item. We're going to build this bike frame pictured here, incorporating materials and labour. We select make. We go into costings to price up this frame. We're looking at the costing sheet here. Anything that we put in external, the system will automatically create me a purchase order for these goods or services. We plan to purchase a 6 meter length of this tube to make this frame. If I was to make one of these frames, the system would automatically create me a purchase order for one length of tube at 6 meters. We also need to paint this bike, and to paint it we need to take some paint from stock, so we go to inventory. We plan to use half a litre of black paint on this assembly. The system will put demand on that half a litre of gloss black paint, should this become a live job, and advise of any shortages if we don't have enough of it in stock. So what we're going to do now is add the internal operations, i.e. the labour element of the job. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to cut the tube. We select a resource. The system, we have told the system how much this costs, and we put a process time in for that cutting of that tube. We then add the secondary operations. So we're going to bend this tube, and it's going to take us an hour and 15 minutes. The final operation is going to be us doing the painting. We're also going to add some specific instructions to this particular process for the guys on the shop floor. For example, gloss level 30%. So the system has calculated the unit value, i.e. the cost or the estimated cost to produce this item. If I ever sell this frame, I may decide that I'm going to sell this for £200. I now have the option to make this item irrespective of demand. So no customer orders, however I can make these bike frames, put them on the shelf. The other option we've got is to use this frame within a bike build. See our video Build a Bike part 3 of 3 to see how this works.